Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tehreem Fatima and my department is BS Physics. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic how to balance a redox reaction. So first of all I have to explain what is a redox reaction. It's the combination of oxidation and reduction reaction. So what is oxidation reaction and what is reduction reaction? Oxidation reaction is a reaction when during a reaction the oxidation state of an atom increases, while on the other hand reduction is a reaction when the oxidation state of an atom decreases during a reaction. So I'll explain the steps of how to balance a redox reaction with the help of an example. So the very first step is assign oxidation number. We have a reaction this will assign oxidation number. Here Fe2 plus has oxidation number +2 and here it's +3. So if it is increasing, so this is oxidation, and Mn has +7 while here +2. So it is decreasing and it is reduction. So there are different types, different methods to balance a reaction, but I'll balance the reaction with the help of half reaction method. So I'll separate the reaction into half reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. So our reaction will become so in the next step I'll balance the half reaction. So first of all we balance the reactions by mass, and this reaction, which is Fe2 plus, is already balanced, so I'll make no changes to this reaction, while the other reaction has to balance, so I'll balance this reaction according to the steps. So first of all we'll balance Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus because it is other than hydrogen and oxygen. First step is to balance, so it is already balanced, so we will not make any changes, writing it as it is. While then we balance oxygen by adding hydrogen. So the hydrogen which the reaction is we have 4 oxygens here, so we will add 4 water molecule to this side, means product side. We'll add water molecules to the other side. Then in the next step we balance hydrogen by adding H plus. So we'll have 8 hydrogen atoms here, so we'll add 8 H plus to the reactant side. We'll add 8 H plus to the other side of water molecules. So the step number 4 is balancing charge. How to balance the charge? We'll balance the charge by adding electron on product side for oxidation. So first of all I'll balance oxidation reaction, then I'll move towards the reduction reaction. So because we have 1 plus charge here, our oxidation state increases, and it increases by 1. Here we have 2 plus, while here we have 3 plus 4. So we'll add, the difference is 1, so we'll add 1 electron to this side. So now I'll balance the reduction reaction. In reduction reaction we'll balance charge by adding electrons to the reactant side, and the difference between the oxidation state is 5, so +7 and +2, so that difference is 5, so we'll add 5 electrons to this side. So will reaction become this. So in step number 5, I'll explain how to balance electron between half reactions. I'll balance it already, but between both of these two reactions I'll balance the electrons, so that the electrons cancel with each other and the reaction become more simpler. So for this we multiply the reactions with some number to cancel the electrons. So I'll multiply this reaction with 5 because we have 5 in the uh, first reaction. Our reaction will become this. So this is our first reaction while this is our second reaction. So in the sixth step and the last, maybe the last step, we add both of the reactions, oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction, and we cancel the common species, common electrons, and we make the reaction more simpler, and then we check all the electrons and all the elements, atoms in the reaction. So let's add the reaction. So we have common species, only 5 electrons here and 5 electrons here. These two will cancel with each other, and then we will add the both of the reactions, so it will become 5Fe2 plus 4 negative plus. So this is the reaction. I'll write it with bit neat. So we have 5Fe here, 5Fe here, 1Mn here, 1Mn here, oxygen 4 here and 4 oxygen here, 4H plus here, 8H plus here and 8H here. All everything is balanced. Now I briefly explain the steps again. First of all, we assign oxidation number. Secondly, we separate the reactions into half reactions. Then we balance half reactions by mass. And in this, we have further steps. And first, we balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Then we balance oxygen with the help of water molecule, and we add water molecules to the side that lacks oxygen. And then we balance hydrogen by adding H plus to the side that lacks hydrogen. Then in fourth step we balance each half reaction with respect to charge by adjusting the number of electrons and electrons. For the oxidation reaction we add electrons on product side, while on the for the reduction reaction we add electrons on the reactant side. Then we balance electrons, then we by multiplying with any number, then we add half reactions and cancel the common species, common electrons, and then we check every reaction. So I'll explain my steps with the help of an example, and I'll explain and I balance that reaction. So I hope my point will be clear. Thank you.